All right, everybody, we're on 591 and it's January 26th. We're in the rear warehouse, first floor. What you're seeing is where the drywall guys have come through and prepped for paint. So everything is being touched and we have started laying floor. And this is Friday, so we will have the mainstay of the floor laid today. The painters come in on Monday and they start taking care of the details of the insides, the windows, the spot priming, getting everything ready for a single coat. These guys will move from the main floor area down the hallway into the small 3 offices and get those laid out. And then the very beginning of next week, we're going to move upstairs. Let's just walk on up here now. Oops, went the wrong way. Good job, Guffey. Now, this is all out of our scope of work, but I'm not really happy with it too much. So what I am gonna do is, when the cleaning company comes in, we're gonna go ahead and clean everything up here. We're gonna go ahead and strip and wax the VCT up here. Have some repairs to do in here from water leaks. We'll go ahead and take care of that. And always love Matlock. So we're in here. Everybody's moving everything to the middle of the room so the finishers and the can get in here and get everything prepped for paint. ¿Qué pasa, amigo? Go ahead. As you can see, years of walls, push pins, and things of that nature. Everything is slowly moving together. By this time next week, we'll have our independent offices done, and we'll be in the main office, and then we'll start painting. And that's what we look like. Ladies, anything to say to America?
No, not at all.
Are we having a good day today?
A wonderful day.
Am I in your...
They said y'all was buying lunch.
I'll buy lunch every day. I'm here for you.
Oh man, we were at McAllister's.
Yeah, we're at McAllister's.
I don't care one bit. I'll hand it to you right here in just a second. All I need, you just bring me back my change.